In this video, we're gonna check out Buffalo Bill's Resort and Casino here in Primm, Nevada, next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the Nevada series. We're not quite in Las Vegas yet. We're actually at the California-Nevada state line. We are here at Buffalo Bill's Resort and Casino, Exit 1. A couple months back, it actually opened up pretty quietly, and the casino grounds is open. And I actually looked, and they do have rooms open. They range from about $35 to $40 a night base rate, and it's a $29 resort fee here. Now, it's March, and a lot of the pools in Las Vegas have opened up, so let's see if their buffalo shaped pool is open. And I want to show you guys what type of food they have here, the amusement park that they had. Well, only a couple of rides, but a roller coaster and a log ride. And I wanted to give you guys a little history. Now, it opened back in 1994, so I remember this being a brand spanking shiny new casino back in the day. So let's see how it looks years later, almost 30 years later. So it looks like there's actually a lot of motorcyclists, ATVs, and UTV buggies. A couple just passed me. Actually, you can see it down the way over there. One's orange and one's blue. I think you can go off-roading behind here in Buffalo Bill's, kind of near where the prison is, right? This is the old Desperado Roller Coaster. It goes all the way around the resort. It goes up to 80 miles per hour, and right now it's still not open, but it used to be. I remember seeing this thing and it would go super fast. And in the Nevada heat, it looked like a cool ride. I've actually never ridden it, but I've seen it when I stopped by the outlet center just across the street. Not only do they have that roller coaster, but they used to have a log ride, and you could see it right down here. The water is now empty, but you can still see the tracks. Kind of sad, but hopefully they reopen it one day. You never know. Across the 15 freeway is Whiskey Pete's, and I'm not gonna lie, I've never been inside Whiskey Pete's. I've been into the Primm Valley and to the other casino down the way, and I go to the outlet center a lot, but the outlet mall, we went there a couple years ago, me, Brocation, and Dadcation, and most of the stores were closed. Like, there used to be a Nike in there, that was gone. Now it's only about maybe 20% open, and there were just a lot of like art murals and graffiti over there. Yeah, let's go inside and check out the rest of the casino and see their food court and arcade over in Buffalo Bill's. Like I said, they have ATVs and buggies over here that you can rent out and take down to the back. So the theme of the Buffalo Bills is the Wild West, and this sign right here with the rainbow and the mountains in the background, it kind of reminds me of that mural that Marty McFly drove right into in the Back to the Future 3 to get back to Doc Brown in 1855. Here's the casino entrance. Let's see what they have in here. And this is the front. You can just unload all your stuff here, and they do have a skip the line mobile check-in. Stephanie Mills, April 29th at 8 p.m. They do have a 6,500 seat arena here, the Star of the Desert Arena here at Buffalo Bill's. Oh, cool. Looks like we got a Pancho Barraza, April 1st at 8 p.m. And this looks like the check-in. They have a platinum VIP with a wolf hanging out by the cliff here in the desert in the Buttes. And check out the Primm Railroad Hotel entrance. I like it. And then they have some mannequins dressed up as cowboys and gold miners and all that. 49ers. Looks like we got a family in a wagon here. Oh, the mailbox is out of service, but they used to have a US mail. And this is the entryway to one of the towers here. Maybe we'll go up one of the towers and check out the view. Look at this, out of service, but they have those old touch-tone payphones here. The casino is interesting. There's a ton of like fake trees up here. Looks like wells. It's like almost like you're in the Old West for sure. They do have a mix of the new school slot machines with some old school slot machines. And here's the seating chart of the Star of the Desert Arena here in Buffalo Bill's. Buffalo Bill's Wild West and Pioneer Exhibition. They have a general store, which is their casino store. You can pick up some Buffalo Bills swag in here. Check it out. Good old Zoltar. We have matching mustaches. Check this out. They do have some more of the old school slot machines scattered around the casino too. With March Madness going on, they do have a sports book, a William Hill sports book here in the corner. And they do promote, since Primm Center is all connected via that tramway, they do have a Pink Box Donuts that is open over by the Chevron station. And this is the entrance to the Star of the Desert Arena box office. And since it's St. Patrick's Day weekend, they do have a little leprechaun here. Here you go. You can pick up some of your Buffalo Bill swag over here. So some hoodies or some tank tops. Right by the fake sheriff's office, you do have your Players Club area and the cashier. And they do have a A-Play Club Affinity Gaming members card here. Since we are in in Raider Nation. We have the Modelo beer area here. I'm sure it's open during poppin' parts of the weekend. This is being filmed on a Sunday afternoon. Even the restrooms are cowgirl and cowboy themed, right next to the blacksmith station. This entrance here reminds me of the Golden Nugget. This is the stage bar. They do have some video poker, but it doesn't look like it's open right now. It looks like it's still closed. Up top here is the Buffalo Bills water well. Nice aesthetic here. They do have table games that are open right now, but this area is closed. Tons of slot machines. Another restroom area. Warm Springs House. I like the wall aesthetic here. These are the type of theme hotels that I do love. Kind of brings you back to the olden days here in Vegas. The mid-90s. Look at this old Buffalo Bills. Captain A.H. Bogardus. Over in this corner here, they do have a old school car right next to the Carolee Theater. And they do have something showing here. Oh, actually, they actually do have like Sonic the Hedgehog playing here. And the prices aren't bad. $10 for adults, $7 for kids. Employees free. What do you think so far, Dad?
This is alright. It's kind of dark, but
We've been here a couple times before.
yeah, it's an old Western type casino.
Opened in the mid-90s. Remember that roller coaster in full tilt?
Yeah, it was even open, I think, before that, before they renovated it.
Been around, huh?
It's been around.
Looks like they have an old wagon wheel cart right here. And you guys can see the remnants of the old log ride they had here. Look at this. They actually used to have a game where you could actually shoot at certain targets. And this was part of it. Look, there's a nice California bear, grizzly bear down there. See, just down the way, they do have the wanted signs. And there you go. You see those little canvas colors, square things? That's what you shoot at. It's almost like Buzz Lightyear in Disneyland. Oh man, I hope they do relaunch this one of these days. That would be cool. This doesn't look like it's gonna be open anytime soon. The Pony Express Pizza. It's funny because there's a Panda Express behind this wall. I can totally smell the orange chicken from here. It looks like we're here to the entryway of where the roller coaster used to be. I think they called that roller coaster the Desperado Coaster. Comment down below if it's changed names through the years and it was something else. Looks like they have a ton of other things here. There's like a frog game here and a Jurassic Park arcade. Yeah, there's the wagon wheel right here. Overland stage. And yeah, there it is. This is the entrance to the log flume ride. And then up top, I believe, is where they used to load the roller coasters. Right below the arcade. You can see all these pennies on top of the cowboy hats. And all the dust mites over there. Wow. And it is spring break. We are filming this on the 20th of March. Buffalo Bills Arcade is on and pop. It used to be bigger. Let's take a look at what they have here. A few different arcade games. You can get your Desperado squished penny. You can pick up your fun card right here. And this is the gist of it right here, of the arcade. You got your basketball game. See, they're covering the rest of it. Check this out. It's like a little kiddie ride called the Frog Hopper. Not open right now, but looks like it's all set up. Oh, wait a minute. This ride, look what it says. Danger. This ride is deemed unsafe. Out of service. 2019. Okay. Don't put your kids on it. Just Baked Thrills. It's not open, but a couple of vending machines here. And then you hit the food court. Pony Express General Store. You got the barber shop. Looks like it's a souvenir shop. They have a yogurt place here called Toby's, Mrs. Fields, and your Panda Express. I can smell all the orange chicken. Smell that orange chicken, Dadcation?
I smell chicken. Doesn't have to be orange chicken. Any type of chicken.
And there it is, your Panda Express. Sweet and sour chicken sizzling shrimp over here. And you also got Kuka's Mexican food here. Looks like you can get some burritos and tacos and maybe some chimichangas. You can't hear it because of copyright, but it's Fat Bottom Girls being played. Take me on tonight, Fat Bottom Girls. And check this out, they have a little Bonnie and Clyde thing here. Is that a Bonnie and Clyde garb? Is this something actually Bonnie or Clyde wore back in the day? The Bonnie and Clyde collection. They even have a Bonnie and Clyde themed slots and the Bonnie and Clyde car. And there they are. Check it out. It's Bonnie and Clyde. The original Jay-Z and Beyonce, Bonnie and Clyde. It's one of my favorite Jay-Z and Beyonce songs. That's a pretty cool circle bar, Marty.
Yep.
Huge TVs. You could watch March Madness going on right now. You also got your water tower here with the Primm, Nevada, right by the tables that are open. Right by Kuka's Mexican food, they do have Lang's beer, established in 1871, and a Denny's. Of course, you're gonna have a nice Wild Western Denny's here by the Feed and Grain store. So if you're looking for some breakfast and you're on the way to Vegas, you can have your good old-fashioned Denny's. Over this way, it looks like they have a Wagon Wheel Grill, established 2022. BB Chop House, Buffalo Bills Chop House, and Vaqueros Buffet, but it's not open. Ooh, if this buffet actually is opening, because it looks like it's open. Well, I mean, it's closed right now, but it looks like it's being set up. Maybe we'll come back and do a Vaqueros buffet. And then the Wagon Wheel Grill is just across the way, and that looks like it's open. And I do like how the log ride goes all around this casino. That must have been a nice aesthetic in the mid-90s. As a little kid, I would have loved coming here. There it is, Wagon Wheel Grill. Open Friday to Monday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. They're closed Tuesday to Thursday. Concert weekends are open later, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Hey, they do have some Buffalo Gold here, the old school machines. So here by the pool area, you got their restroom. Let's see, can we go out here? Yes, we can. So there are two different towers. There's one right here, and then one I just came out of. Huge trees, and through this is the swimming pool, and it's shaped like a buffalo. Look at it, it's like the Buffalo Bills helmet. We're not gonna get high enough to see it, but there it is. And the jacuzzi looks like it's not operating. Looks like the pool is still closed here. So that $29 resort fee is definitely not being used for the pool. This is how the hallways look like in the room area. Brownish, you know, woodsy, desert, Wild West feel. In the past, come in the Primm, we'd usually only use it for like a pit stop real quick. I mean, it's only 35 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip. So back in the day, we just be curious about checking out the Nike and some of the outlet stores. But now that that's gone, I really don't see much of a excuse to come here and check it out, unless you just want to see the older casinos here. And hopefully Buffalo Bills has like a revival eventually, and that swimming pool opens up when it gets hotter, and the roller coaster gets back to working, and that log ride, dude, that log ride looks like it could be revived, and it would be a really fun thing, especially for family fun things to do here in Vegas. And wow, the traffic on the 15 going back towards California is crazy on a Sunday right now. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see me do a Whiskey Pete's. Maybe I'll do that on another trip when I come back to Las Vegas via car, because I don't really do that as much anymore. What do you think of Buffalo Bills?
Buffalo Bills is cool. It's a little dark, better than before. They renovated this place, Whiskey Pete's, in the 90s. There's a lot of interesting stuff in there, like old museum type cars. Quick pit stop, yeah.
We're here at Yermo in Maddie's favorite, Dadacation's favorite pit stop. So we always used to stop by Lenwood and Barstow. How come you like going to Eddie World now?
That's because they have that sweet, sour candy here.
Those sour belts.
Wakes you up.
So you're gonna buy me some?
You're gonna buy me
Thanks,
some.
Daddy!
You buy me some.
Wow, this guy. Look how cracking it is here in Eddie World. Didn't we buy Uncle Eddie an Eddie World's hat? You got him one of these, right?
Yep.
There's your candy, Dadcation.
There it is.
This is sour.
This?
Yeah.
Damn, it went up.
So I do like that they sell a bunch of Funko Pops over here, as well as this hardcourt Lakers display in the back. And they got a ton of different Funko Pops and board games and puzzles. What you do here at Eddie World, not only you get the candy, but you also get the pizza. They have really great buffalo chicken pizza. They have wood-fired pizza. Two things that I like here: the sour belt candy and their pizza. Also, not only do they have the beef jerky, but they also have a ton of hot sauce. Whoop-ass hot sauce.
I got my sour blue.
How do you save money?
You have to look for how much it weighs, because they charge you by the pound. So this one I got for only $4.46. It's half the price.
You don't really need that much.
You don't eat that much. You're not gonna eat the whole bag. I better eat a couple. Yeah, he'll eat most of it.
This should be on sale. He doesn't play for the Jazz anymore. He plays for the Cavs. Gas here is what, $4.99? That's about 60-70 cents more than like going to Costco. So
yep.
I know that taking my own car here, I know that I don't have to get gas. This is actually supposed to be one of the biggest, if not the biggest, gas station in California. When you cross Primm to get to Nevada, there is a Chevron that's way bigger though. Dadcation on the wheel now. Got some sour stuff, man. I like it. Keeps you awake on the road. All right, Jaycationers, so that will do it for a tour of Buffalo Bills Resort and Casino here at the Primm, Nevada, California state border. Something that looks fun that you can do here is rent those ATVs and those buggies and go off-roading. So I would maybe recommend doing that. And if you do have kids on a pit stop, maybe you're not going to Vegas and you're going somewhere to like Salt Lake City or even further down the 15, you know, maybe this is a nice pit stop for the night. I saw prices anywhere from $35 to $40 bucks. Resort fee was around $29 a night. So you'll still be spending about 75 bucks a night. You could find something on the strip around the same price, somewhere around like the Tropicana or the Luxor or Excalibur even. So for 74 bucks altogether, I mean, maybe if you're just needing a pit stop for the night and wanted a family-friendly place or just wanted something different from Las Vegas, this might be the place to go. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're almost to 100,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to Jaycation. It really helps get me to that silver play button that I'm really trying to get to in 2023. Check out Las Vegas 777 Let's Go. It's my Facebook page full of 2,000 Las Vegas lovers talking about news, tips, tricks, and recommendations around Sin City. We'll see you guys in the next one. Comment down below what other places you want to see a tour of, maybe Whiskey Pete's or the Primm Casino down the way over here, which you could take a monorail. And have you seen my video at Harris, Las Vegas? Check it out right here. And we'll see you in the next one, Jaycationers. And in the words of Jaycation, stay traveling, Las Vegas, or should I say Primm, Nevada. Let's go!